You know what? You can earn almost 2 lakh rupees by just talking about your feeling. Is that possible? Yes. So lot of universities in US are currently looking for lot of volunteers who can help them in their research program. You can take a part in human behavior research and share your feelings. And the most important part is that your identity and your data will be kept secret.
So the first website is called Columbia Business School. In this website, you just have to go to here, which is called Participate. And in this page, when you scroll down, you have an option to sign up. And the most important part, they have clearly mentioned that if you are selected on their research program, you will get to have $16 per hour. And similarly, you have the second website from Harvard University. And again, you just have to go to Participate and just sign up. And the last website is called psychology.northwestern.edu. Once you visit on their website, you have an option called Research. Participate in research studies. That's it.
So now instead of sharing your feelings with your friends, just apply to this program and get a chance to earn almost 2 lakh rupees.